Welcome to Login Page, your go-to destination for all your card activation needs. Are you ready to activate your Northlane card and unlock a world of convenient and secure transactions? In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to activate your Northlane card hassle-free. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter login.northlane.com/activate into the address bar to access the website. This address will redirect you to the activation page within 5 seconds. If it doesn't redirect, click on this button. Yes, now you can activate your card. Enter your card number here. In the next field, enter the security code and check the I'm not a robot option. Then click on the Continue button. If you are asked to enter personal and card details, complete the process by giving in the required information. Your card will be activated within moments. It is only after the card is activated that you will receive a card activation successful message. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments below. Have any questions or need assistance? Drop us a comment and we'll be happy to assist you. For more helpful tips and guides, don't forget to subscribe to Login Page. Thank you for choosing us as your trusted source for all things related to card activation and online security.